Got some nice glowing embers in here now, so it's time to cook. Hello bushwhackers and wild campers and all you outdoor cooking fans. I'm out tonight having a bit of a camp under a solar farm, and it's time to cook something special tonight. Yorkshire Burgers. So I'm just going to put the ridge monkey into the embers just to warm it up a little bit. I've got these nice Wagyu beef burgers. Lovely. Well, that didn't take much warming up. Oh, we all like that sound, don't we? In fact, what I need to do to make this work is split these pans. You'll see why shortly. Now in the meantime, while they're just cooking away there, it won't hurt to, well, you know, don't get these very often. One with a cork. Oh, gone too far in, too far in. Here we go. Oh yeah, very nice. Now they look as though they're doing all right, don't they? So let's just flip that. Oh, got a bit of grass on there. Excellent. Do like a bit of additional seasoning, flavors. Oh, let's just turn those around a bit because you can see where the heat is, can't you? Because it's kind of darkened on those edges. Cook those off for a little bit. The spitting fat is making everything flame up a bit there, isn't it? Whee, look at that. Good, in it? All good. Whoa. Oh, cheers, everybody. Looking good, aren't they? Looking good. Whee. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Jamie Oliver, eat your heart out. I think what I might do is, that one's cooking a little bit more than that one, so whip that off. Pop that one onto that side for a second or two, and put that one on that one. Yeah, that's the way you're doing it. Said it before, and I will say it numerous times again, these mesh fire pits, fabulous. So versatile. You couldn't do this on a twig stove. You'd need 2 twig stoves. Woohoo! This is proper outdoor cooking, this, isn't it? Yeah, that's better. That's evening it off a little bit. Just flip that one over. Cheers. Right, now, what we need to do now is take that out and pop it on there. Now you see that fat there? I'm going to fling that off into the grass. Then I'm going to reattach the handle, like so. And now we come to the pièce de résistance. What makes these Yorkshire Burgers? I know you're itching to know. Well, there's only one thing that could make these proper Yorkshire Burgers. Yorkshire puddings. Right, okay, so one on one side, squish that on, flip that over, one on the other side, squish that on, push that a bit further in, there we go. We'll just leave that to gently cook for a few minutes. In the meantime, Cheers! I think this meal will definitely qualify as filth. Let's flip it and have a look after a couple of minutes. Oh, is that looking good or what? Yorkshire Burgers. Definitely not going to die of starvation tonight. Let's flip it, see what it looks like, eh? Oh, look at that. Yeah, just give it another couple of minutes on both sides. All right, that's had another couple of minutes. Yeah, that's looking good. Yep, don't want to cook that anymore. Let's get that on the plate. This looks proper filthy. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's good. Different, but so good. Yorkshire Burgers by More Than Just a Cleaner. If you like this filthy video, if you don't like it, if you like what I'm doing on the channel, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. So good.